Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker, and I will show you how we can connect this speaker to your Android phone. So at the first you have to click and hold this power button to turn it on.
Power on.
Next, open notification button on your phone.
Pairing.
Click the Bluetooth icon to open Bluetooth settings, and then click to pair new device. Okay, as you can see, it wants to connect automatically, but let's tap to connect right here and then choose our device from the list. Accept pair.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can hear right now, we are connected, so we can, for example, play song. And as you can hear right now, the sound comes from our wireless speaker. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.